Hi friends! So right now it is 9 p.m. When I first moved here, I used to take nightly walks as like routine, and it was really nice. You kind of feel like you're hopping from being locked in an apartment to being locked in an office. It just feels boxy. So I'm gonna show you around. This time of year it's so much better to do evening walks. Like I was out for maybe 5 minutes in the beginning of September and I was already dripping sweat. So now is a great time. This is another part of the neighborhood from a nearby park. Like I said, it's super safe, so even if you're walking through the park alone at night like I am, you definitely feel safe, which is one of the many things that I've been enjoying about Dubai so far. This plot is empty, but not for too long. Dubai is constantly building something. Another apartment building, another hotel. There's one being built right there and another building away, which I would say is pretty cool because Dubai is constantly evolving. Another cool thing is that the lights are always on. The buildings on the outside have lights on them, the street lights are always on, so it's always bright enough for you to be out. The convenience stores are open until very late at night, so even if you forgot to buy something in the day or you got home late from work, you can always visit the one just downstairs from your apartment, or even a block away or the next block, because there is a convenience store on every block. I've definitely been enjoying the quieter side of Dubai, but I am trying to experience all of it, so I'm excited to show you more. So right after this, I'm gonna get into bed, and then tomorrow's another day of work. I'm gonna show you around a little bit, and what I'm looking forward to the most is on Saturday. We're going to Global Village, which I've been wanting to go to for a long time, so I am excited to show you and to see it myself. See you tomorrow! Good morning! It is a beautiful day here in Dubai Investment Park. This is where My Fitness is located. We've got a little office which is actually quite huge and has a lot of equipment in it if you ever want to come check it out. Always promoting My Fitness. But let's go in and check it out. This is the inside of the building. There are so many different offices here, and you wouldn't believe how big they are inside because they look so small. But my focus is on My Fitness, so let's take a tour. I really love my job. I'm super confident in what we supply. So it's Saturday evening and this is Global Village. I'm so excited to show you. I've been dying to go here. This is like one of the largest and most beautiful tourist attractions here in Dubai. It's like sectioned out into all these little countries, and you can go visit Iran, Thailand, Korea, Africa, and you can purchase different things. Like there's so much to buy. There's no way that you're gonna walk out with nothing. Also a lot of food vendors, a lot of restaurants, an amusement park. It's insane. It's everything in one. I was most excited to check out Africa. Didn't see South Africa, which was a bit sad, but it was cool to see. One thing I didn't know before going there is that it is very strict. They have a very strict policy on your dressing. You have to be modest. So I wore a covered up top, but I had a skirt on and I couldn't get in. And they sell scarves outside, so that's great. I didn't have to go all the way home. There are certain areas that you can't go into, such as the government centers, the medical centers, RTAs, without dressing modestly. Another thing is that public displays of affection are not permitted in most places in Dubai, which is for the families and also just respect in general. But regardless, we had an amazing time and I can't wait to see more and show you more, and I'm super excited!